Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to find a string index within another string within the Java programming language. The compiler which we are using is the Eclipse IDE. So first of all we need to click on File and then on New and then on Java Project. We can write the name of the Java project as Delta 667 and click Next and then Finish. After this is done, we need to expand the Delta 667 folder and right click on SRC folder. We need to go to New and then on Class. And then now we need to write the name of the class as Y112. okay, you can write any other name of the class and then always tick public static void main function and click Finish. Okay, now our main coding window is generated and now we can write our own code here. It contains one public class and one static void main function. Now we can write our code here. So first we will declare a string A is equal to like anything like my home planet is Earth. Now this is a string data and it is inside where it used to be inside. It is inside this A variable, which is just like a data pocket to hold all this data. And what is the type of this variable? It is the string data type. If we have declared here a string data type, then we can only store string type data in it. Okay, we can't like insert any sort of integer or character or any other data in it. Okay, we are just confined to the string data type. Now here we will write, so A is our string and we will write index of, okay, index of, we will write here planet, okay, planet. So what this function index of will do, it will give us the index of the substring P, which is like a 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 and it is 8. okay, on 8th position planet used to place it. So dot index of will give us 8. okay, so but we also need to print it system dot out dot println, because if we want to print certain result, then we need to write println, okay, system dot out dot println a dot index of planet. And now we will run it out, press OK, and we got our answer as 8. So in this way you can find any other thing, okay, any other string index. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.